this episode, we're going to get Chloe race ready. So, I don't think we're going to make it in time for the hill climb, but we'll see what we can do.
Yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Yeah, I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, can I stop this? Never cautious, drop it. I'm the hardest. Knock, knock, bitch, watch it. I'm the...
Alright, if you remember from the last episode, I took the sidewall out on the diff when we took this thing out for a fang. I went out, thank big shout out to Terry at Tyres for getting this sorted quickly. He got it done overnight for me, rebalanced, everything like that, ready to go back on. So let's plop this thing on and then we'll start on the O2 sensor. Alright, back out at the farm. I've got a bung for Chloe now. I'm going to bang a hole in the exhaust and then I'm literally just going to tack weld this in. I'm not even going to try and fully weld it because I've only got the stick welder. We'll bang this in, tack it in, we'll screw the O2 sensor in and then we'll see what we can do with it. Now, the battery's completely flat in this. It's like shot now. So I'm hoping whatever codes were in this aren't anymore and we should be pretty right. So then, yeah, all right. I'll bang this in, we'll jump it, we'll hook the jumper leads up and we'll see how we go, see if we can get some revving out of this rear engine and not the coughing and spluttering that it does. Otherwise, it'll probably be a timing issue. But either way, this needed to be done. All right, so I didn't have to use the bung. Turned out my step drill was almost going to go the whole way through, but the hole was big enough to thread it in on its own. So it's just going to sit in there like that. I've got it zippied out the way, so it's not going to rub on the drive shaft there. Now let's fire this thing up. Not going to lie, I'm really hoping this works. I'd like to race it again, and I'd like to have it run properly. I just can't be bothered with it, though. That's the problem. I've got all these other projects going on, and, yeah. In all honesty, I just can't be fucked with old Chloe anymore, so if I can get it to run right and then park her up in the weeds, all I've got to do is start it every time I want to race it and then take it, you know. She can just sit there and do her thing. All right, back engine's running. She's a little rough on idle, but she's running nicely. I guess we'll just see if it revs out. I'll try and control this one individually compared to the front engine. If it revs, we're laughing. If not, then we know it's done nothing and I'll have to try and figure out what it is. Probably be timing. Let me try and reach the throttle body wherever it is. Not that I can find it. Where is it? There. Let's see if it'll rev. No. Oh, everything's died. She just won't run right, the old girl. She sat here for too long. That's my problem. All right.
Much later.
All right, so the second engine's running. It does sound like it's hunting though. I found a crimped fuel line. So the first engine runs like a dream. Second engine though, she's not happy. I don't know what the story is. Idle's high. It hunts. The RPMs, see, it's just dropped again. Guessing there's a vacuum leak. I'll have to throw a scan tool on it, see if I can get some live data, but I don't have one here, so this will probably do this episode, I think. But yeah, both engines are back up and running anyways. I've got an O2 in the back. It's probably leaking, so, which I mean, more than likely. And yeah, it'll have to do for now. I don't have my scan tool on me. That'll do it. All right, so that's going to do it for this episode of Chloe. I mean, we got the O2 in. We were hoping it would clear everything up. I'm going to have to throw a scan tool on it and see what's fucking around in it, see what she's doing. But anyways, that'll do this episode. I've run out of time now. Everyone's back to work and I'm back to work. The kids are back to school, so time's limited. I've got to try and crush in as much of this as I can. But yeah, so that's Chloe so far. That's where we're up to. I might come back on the weekend. I'll try and button up some more stuff. And yeah, we'll see how we go. See if we can get it cleared up. The front engine's running fine. I just got to remove that fuel pump so the lines don't get tangled. But this back one, I'm going to have to spin it, check timing, make sure that's the timing belt's in the right place. I did fuck around with it when it wouldn't start the first time. So yeah, I'll have a play with that and I'll see what I can find, and I might throw it up as an update as a reel or something. But like I always say, you know, go over, check out the merch store, get some shirts. They've been selling like hotcakes. I'm all out of the large size at the moment. I'm just about to throw another order through to update them. New shirt, new Facebook Marketplace shirt coming, so hang out for that. And like I say, like, subscribe, and share. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your favourite neighbour. All right? I will see you guys in the next episode.